Each quarter, accounting and corporate reporting teams rely on multiple system reports to review the primary financial statements and the related footnote disclosures. While the reporting structure is largely automated, validating the information and ensuring the accounts are completely and accurately reflected is manually intensive, and can be downright difficult. You and your teams deserve better. The Power BI tool delivers a centralized work environment that connects people, data, and processes all in a single platform. The Power BI tool connects data from multiple sources, which enables your data to be centralized, trustable, and accessible. You eliminate risks and gain trust over all of your data throughout your review. And the critical information you need is finally accessible. Every team can benefit from connected data. This proof-of-concept business intelligence solution supports the financial statement review by connecting validated SAP reports and financial statement work papers. It has different tabs for balance sheet, income statement, and statement of cash flow. It is interactive, easy to navigate, and within minutes, enables a reviewer to validate the accuracy of the FS balances based on the underlying special ledger account level balance information. Confirm the completeness of the general ledger and special ledger accounts population at any portfolio level, such as borrowings, investments, or loans. Review underlying manual adjustments made in the financial statements line items. Perform an ex-post review of new general and special ledger accounts created to verify proper alignment with the accounting policy regarding the financial statement presentation. Highlight exceptions that require additional follow-up and review. If you have a question or a comment on any of the information, just leave a comment from any dashboard tile. You can add mentioned other people to automatically notify them. Financial statement tabs provide a summary, reports let you do detailed analysis. Right-click on any financial statement line item to navigate to a more detailed report. Here you have more tools to explore your data. Filter your view by selecting values. We'll save these for the next time you return. But you can reset to the default view here. Click any data and visuals to highlight the impact they have on other metrics on the report. If you want to analyze the data further, you can export any report visual to Excel. Click on the ellipses, then export data. This is the power of continuous connected data and reporting. This is the power of Power BI. That's pretty awesome, right? Come check out this proof of concept FS tool and support the FS review, so you can work smart.